Hi everyone, my name is Leslie Yuan. I am the owner of this 1976 Ferrari 308 GTB. A lot of people say without the 308, that changed the Ferrari business model, which is the first mid-engine V8 design. In 1976, which is the first year of production, which is this car is produced. And at that time, for whatever reason, the first batch, actually the first 18 months, were made of fiberglass. And this is a steel body, surprisingly, built in the 76. So I really like my 308. Actually, over 20 years ago, I built my first Ferrari, which is a 79 GTS, which is a Spider. And throughout the 20 years of history, meeting events in the club, in the concourse, and track and whatnot, I realized that, you know, the GTB basically is the racer feel, and a lot of people / collectors prefer the B. Actually, I did not intend to buy it, but by accident, the owner came to us over at the restaurant dinner, so that's how we met. And here I have the car. And this one in particular is a very interesting history. And I believed the first owner was Mario Andretti. And that's why I bought the car, and I will continue to do the research. And also it completes my collection of the first year, 76, and the final year, the 89 GTB. So now I'm very happy.